So we ended up having to get a cab, a taxi from Phong Nha area. We're just gonna go to Paradise Cave. We don't actually have enough time to do everything we need to do to get back to Hoi by the airplane that we have to take tomorrow morning at 11:45. So we're just gonna do Paradise. Had we done those caves, I probably wouldn't have gone to the other cave. This one, it sounds like it's about 2.5 hours inside the cave. Maybe 1.5 miles, 2 miles you gotta walk. Sounds like a lot of walking, not sure how many steps. I guess I'll find that out when I get there. The car we've got is a Peugeot or whatever. It's a beautiful car. Never seen one, like actually been in one. I think they're French, but it's a really beautiful car actually. Phong Nha, Bàng. Anyway, so yeah, going to Paradise Cave.